Hi, Erica with MC Tool and Safety. I want to talk to you today about the Honeywell BW Clip4 gas monitor. So we sell personal confined space gas monitors. That means you keep them on your person. So this one would be worn on your safety vest. This one detects 4 gases. We could get different ones, but it comes stock with oxygen, carbon monoxide, hydrogen sulfide, and an LEL, or a sensor for methane and other combustible gases. Now, this one is a 2-year runtime model, which means that from the moment you turn it on, it will run continuously for 24 months. That means that your job site's never going to have a dead monitor. You don't run out of battery halfway through if you forget to charge your other monitor and it's no good the next day and you're set back. This alleviates all of those issues. It's a workhorse. It takes a beating. I don't know if you've seen the rugged design, but this sucker is nice and meaty, and we really, really like it. A couple of good to know facts, really. When you're bump testing every day before you use it, use a good solid quality gas. Make sure that the levels in the gas match the levels that you are set to on your monitor. Make sure that you're calibrating every 180 days or the manufacturer's recommended time, which is never less than that. If your company has a calibration schedule that's less often, that's totally fine. They also recommend that you calibrate it if it does go into alarm or is set off, just in case any of those sensors were contaminated. We can do a lot of that calibration and testing for you. We can also do some warranty work, or we can work with Honeywell to get anything warranty-wise taken care of. So we are here, we are a resource in Blaine. We are happy to help, and we are one of the biggest distributors of Honeywell monitors in the Midwest. So we know our stuff. Come on in, check us out, see this monitor. We also have some other great monitors on hand if you have other needs, so just let us know. Thanks for tuning in today and have a great day.